Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to turn on and off caption in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to go to any TikTok video which has captions, and there may or may not be captions in most of the videos. So here we don't see any caption. Let's look at this share icon in the right. So let's click here and we can see an icon return turn on captions. So let's click on this and we can see the captions over here. Now to turn this off we can simply do this again. Now click on this arrow and click on turn off captions. Now the captions are turned off. So this is how you can turn on and off the captions in TikTok. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.